What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 60 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into Raw Rev Glow Double Chocolate Brownie Batter Bars. Blast off. Okay. It's good to have you back on the episode, Jacob. What do you think? Do you think that we should try these first or tell them about them?
Try this first.
What do you think about that?
I think it's kind of sticky.
Alright, so obviously in first glance it looks like really oily around the outside. Do you want half of it? I'll just break in half, okay?
Yeah.
And then
break yours in half so Mom will eat some.
So that you can have that half, and then I'll break my bar in half again. That way Mom can have some. And we'll put Mom's right here. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It got a little bit of a... Some seems like a little bit of a mint, but it was actually really, really, really good. You think it's really good? Your mouth is full. There's chocolate chips inside of this thing.
Daddy?
Yes.
It's kind of like peanut butter inside.
It's kind of like peanut butter inside?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, it is made out of some nuts, so that would make sense, huh?
Uh-huh.
Do you like it, though?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that other little kids would like it?
Mm-hmm. But the other kids will get some of these. Jojo and Nick will get them.
This is, I think, is supposed to be like some kind of protein bar, superfood bar, something like that. It has a base of like cashews and pea protein and rice protein, a bunch of other things, coconut oil, chia seeds, you name it. It's like super bar. Everything compacted into this really, really, really good chocolate fudge brownie bar bite thing. It's like ridiculously good. The actual glow bars are high in protein, and then high in fiber. They only contain like 2 to 5 grams of sugar, so it's very, very low sugar in there. You're gonna sit right there. Basically, the company says glow and look your best. Plant-based, healthy, and supportive ingredients. They're always 100% vegan, non-GMO, and kosher, free from preservatives, soy, protein isolate, and they don't have any wheys, grains, or sugar alcohols in here as well.
Put some water on you.
You're putting water on me. Why? Do I need to cool off?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So the actual company has 2 different lines of bars. They have their organic line, and then they also have their just non-GMO line. This bar would be part of their non-GMO line. A box of 12 of these retails for $21.99. Basically comes down to about a little less than $1 per or $2 per bar. And it's probably worth about $2, I would say. If I was buying it retail in a store, that's about what I would expect to pay for it. Yes. Oh, your excuse. Are you gonna talk to him? You got something to tell him?
There's peanut butter inside, but there's chocolate.
There's chocolate also.
Uh-huh.
So this company was started by a girl named Alice. She was a nurse, would visit people or whatever it was, and she would always challenge them, you know what, try changing your diet for just a day. Try maybe a vegan diet just for a day and see exactly how if that helps your body or if it doesn't help your body. And then upon that, she started making these bars, and her friends and family absolutely loved them, along with her neighbors. She pretty much gathered some friends, people together, a team together, and they launched Go Raw Rev Glow. That's why we're here. Jacob, we gotta know, is this a buy or a trash? You literally just put that in your mouth, huh? Literally just put it in your mouth. You know what? Can I answer for you? Alright, so we gotta know, is this a buy or a trash?
It's a buy!
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 Buy it! Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is, where is the best place you've been for taking walks?
Snow.
The snow. Do you want to tell me about the snow real quick?
I went swimming on snow yet.
You went sledding on the snow like that?
Mm-hmm. And scooped up the snow.
And scooped up the snow?
No, souped up the snow.
And souped up the snow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. We'll go ahead and leave it right there. If you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Yes.
Daddy, I will soup up snow with this.
Nice. Scoop it up with that.
No, souped up. What's that?
Okay. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out our video on We Tried Women's Protein. Check out the video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.